I see a ball rolling, I know someone pushed it. In the same way, when you look at our world and space beyond, you know someone made that happen too.
In the past, there have been some that thought the universe had no beginning, that it had always been around. But we now have evidence against that. And this scientific evidence has led to the theory called the Big Bang. Scientists say long ago, everything in the universe started as a tiny point. In less than a second, it exploded to more than 1 billion times its original size. Since then, the universe has been expanding, which means everything is moving away from each other. In the last few decades, scientists discovered the Big Bang through several pieces of evidence, one of which is the redshift.
That means the faster a star is moving away from us, the redder its color is.
In 1929, Edwin Hubble found by studying the redshift that all the galaxies he observed were moving away from us. His discovery has also shown us that everything in the universe is moving away from each other. Because of that, we know that in the past, they must have been closer together.
In fact, they started out as one spot.
Even though this is a new discovery for science, it's actually something that was written about thousands of years ago in the Bible. For example, Job 9:8 says that God
stretches out the heavens.
And Isaiah 40:22 says that God
stretches out the heavens like a curtain and spreads them out like a tent to dwell in. Stretching is just another word for expanding. See how this drop of food coloring is expanding?
It's moving away from the center, and the edges are getting bigger and bigger. That's basically what our universe is doing. What made this start? If the universe exploded into existence, there must have been something that made that happen. I recently read about an astronomer named Alan Rex Sandage in the book, The Case for a Creator. And, he wasn't religious, but after studying the Big Bang, he decided to become a Christian. He explained that the Big Bang was a sudden emergence of matter, space, time, and energy, and that it pointed to the need for some kind of transcendence. Now, I know that's a lot of big words, but what he means is that the universe began at a certain time. Something had to make that happen. Something outside of the universe.
And that something was a someone, God.
That's right. God created the universe for you and I to live in. And that's something we can be very grateful for.